This is the Greenworks 24-volt multi-tool. Powered by a single 24-volt battery and part of the Greenworks Power All range, this multi-tool is ideal for sanding, scraping, cutting and clearing a variety of materials. The Greenworks 24-volt multi-tool features a 6-speed selection dial to adjust the power between delicate and heavy-duty tasks, LED light to illuminate your workspace, a simple shaft lock system to swap heads on the go easily. Light in weight but big in power and practical application. And with sanding, scraping and cutting heads included, power up your performance with the Greenworks 24-volt multi-tool.